Hey guys, the BenchTech here. And today I'm going to be reviewing the LotFancy, let's see, handlebar setup for just a lot of action cameras, specifically my Acaso 4K with crappy FPS. But review on that, it'll get there, alright? It'll get there. So let's, I don't know I have a knife, but open this up. Comes in a nice plastic bag. It's got a nice carrying case. Feels nice and high quality. One of my friends recommended this to me with the same action camera. It's all kind of packed in there. Alright, so it's got a bag for Lord knows what. Something that twists. Yeah. Just something that twists. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what this is. It goes on the camera, or a helmet mount, maybe? Some sort of mount? I don't know. It mounts on something. It has these things. Also, it has this little pouch you could store stuff in. Like, extra batteries or something like that. Oh. I'm slightly stupid. I am slightly, not about these. I still don't know what these are. Yeah, I don't know what those are. I have two of these. And they look like the exact same. That's kind of handy, because, I can keep one on one tripod, and the one that I'm using now on the smaller tripod, and they're ever so slightly different, but in the one on the big tripod. But so that's nice and cool. It has these floaty things, which is one of the exciting things to me, truthfully. Yeah, it just connects via that little clip, and has this handle, so you could use it for. How does this go on there? I don't know. It's like a Wii, actually. Like, that is a Wii strap. That looks exactly like a Wii strap, truthfully. That is insane. Wow. I don't know how that connects, but, hollow. You'd hope. It's hollow, actually. Which is, it's kind of a first, but, yeah, you'd hope it's hollow. Alright, we got these attachments. This looks to be the same attachment as this, just feels much more high quality. Instead of this little rubber thing that's in there, this has actual padding. Yes, and it has some Phillips screws, which isn't as nice as these, but these also kind of get in the way. They're annoying. So I'm excited about that. Came with this thing. I don't know what it does. I don't know what most of this does, and this thing, which looks mostly the same. Alright, then in this bag, got some sort of mount, maybe a helmet mount. I don't know. Then we have 3M tape, a good amount. 4 pieces. Some are odd shit. So, alright, yeah, this is kind of obvious. These are meant to go on here. Don't know why. And then, these are meant to go on there. Once again, don't know why, but, that's interesting. I'll read everything off at the end of the video. Man, this stuff seems kind of greasy, or oily. My hands smell weird too. This, and once again, another weird random mount. This actually seems pretty cool if I know what it is. And this weirdly is in like a cheap plastic bag compared to everything else. So this, yeah, is a suction cup, and like to mount to your car or something. don't know how it works, but yeah, I'm not sure how it works or how well it works. Maybe I'll have a separate review for that, you know, really short. Oh, I see how it works. Yeah, that works quite well, actually. Oh, yeah, that works pretty well. It's got this, moves, you know, how you want it, so that's a pretty cool item. Then here are some more random looking mounts that I think are the same. These are the exact same. Wow. Okay. Ah, okay, so then this is to mount to a tripod. Like, you know, this. Or just, you know, your standard tripod mount. Then here's a strap to hold something, you know. Quite a small bag. A wrist strap, I think it is. Here is the chest mount. I think the thing I'm most excited about, along with the head mount, or this is the head mount. Chest mount. Which, let me try this on. Alright, so I just put it on how I thought you'd put it on, and like camera goes here. Yeah, this fits pretty well. Just gotta put a camera on it, and then we'll see how it goes. And it's fairly comfy, so no need to worry about wearing it for long amounts of time and then it not being comfy. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Here's the head mount. Fits my head quite perfectly out of the box. Not sure how I look, but sexy, I imagine. Oh yeah, sexy. No, I couldn't actually see myself, but that fits well. It's nice and comfy, has these grips there. Here is a selfie stick, believe it or not, which you need that adjustment again, and I'd put some WD-40 on that or something, but here's the overall length. It has a lock to keep it like where you want it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. It's quite hard to move. Alright. Then, another thing I wanted, the octopus tripod, which it's probably going to be crap, but all this was like $20. Yeah, $20. Just crank all those, and, you know, it's got the normal camera mount. And the last thing is another type of mount for camera. It's pretty cool. So I will catch you guys when I am looking at this online. Alright guys, so here we are on my computer, and here it is, $22, and, you know, 37 in one container, which, ooh, it's going to be a tight fit in there, but as you can see, it comes with all the stuff it says, including those weird things. And yeah, it's all pretty cool. There are the dimensions, you know, selfie stick, chest strap, shows the attachments you can use for that. It's all pretty cool, you know. I'm confused how that works. Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, you know, you got so it just, I guess, goes in there. Oh yeah, that's a pretty cool casing. It has the speakers as well. And just seeing how it really, yeah, handlebar. I'm seeing really how all of this is used. Okay, So it's meant to get it more height on certain stuff. Then a remote. Don't know if there's a remote. Don't really care. It's probably really crappy. That thing, it's meant to do something. Go on a just an angle. And there's that Asian kid, the handlebar, and is that just? I can't tell if they used. Oh wow, 3M tape to put it on a helmet. I would not trust that, truthfully. If you're thrashing around and all that. Are those waterproof coverings? I don't care. But GoPro accessories is what it says, but it works for pretty much. It's all kind of compatible. And, alright, it doesn't say a Casso, but who cares? So, let's see. So, hard case, a selfie stick monopod, chest mount harness, head strap, car mount, loading hand grip, 3-way pivot arm, tripod mount adapter, quick release buckle, handlebar seat post and pivot arm, wrist strap, phone bracket clamp, flat adhesive mounts and pads, curved adhesive mount and pads, octopus tripod holder, J-hook buckle mounts, anti-fog inserts for small nylon bag. Anti-fog? These I guess are the anti-fog. That's the only thing I could guess. And it all fits in one case, which is all pretty cool. And there's so many of these also online, like 50 in one for GoPro. Like, it's all useless. Useless is what it is. Completely useless. You don't need all that, like, yeah, you don't. So it comes with an extra battery. Or no, it's just an SD card. It's a waste. It comes with like a pen. It's interesting. But this is my unboxing only of the 37-in-1 sports accessories kit attachments for GoPro Hero. GoPro 6 Hero 5 4 3 plus 3 2 1 SJ 4000 SJ 5000 HD action video cameras DVR by LotFancy. Storage case included. The review will be mostly on individual. It'll be on pretty much individual items. The chest mount, the car. I can't drive, but we'll get it done, man. We'll get it done. So yeah, it's all fine and dandy. Selfie stick. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good day.